Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be this hair tutorial on this fun bun look with curls. To get this look started, we're going to go ahead, take a comb and part our hair straight down the middle. You're going to want to take this all the way down the back of your head, and we want this as clean as possible. Then you're just going to gather one side and wrap the elastic band around it and kind of just forget about it while we work on the other side. And for the other side, we're going to go ahead and take some mousse. We're using the mousse to kind of flatten any flyaways we may have. We want this look to be very sleek. And we're going to go ahead and take our elastic band and we're going to wrap it around our hair, not just once, but twice. And then the third time, you're going to want to wrap it halfway. Then now I'm kind of pulling at it and just making it look messy and cute and finding where it looks the best. And I was kind of trying to use the curls to hide the elastic band. And so now we're going to do the same thing on the other side, taking the mousse and going ahead and just making sure we're taming any flyaways we may have, and then gathering it behind the ear and taking the elastic band and wrapping it, not twice, but a third time. And then the third time, of course, we do it halfway to create that bun. And then just going ahead and comparing both of them and kind of making them look somewhat similar. And I'm just fixing the other side as well, kind of just critiquing the overall look and seeing what needs to be adjusted. Now I'm going in with my edge control and a toothbrush and kind of just sleeking out the front more, kind of just defining the edges and just making sure ultimately there are no flyaways. To finish off the look, I'm going to take my hairspray and just give it a nice light spray to make sure it's got good hold. And that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little hair tutorial, and until next time, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!